cluster repair. First of all, take the thing apart. Pop all the clips off. You might need to get a screwdriver in these to get them off. La 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 la. Well, that was easy. Have your clocks. I love playing with my clocks. Second of all, take all of these screws out. I'm going to take this plate off. And expose the PCB underneath. This one contains the inverter and a bit of logic for steering wheel control. This lifts up from here, pull it towards you, it'll come loose. Make a note of that connector, because that needs to go slip back into the holes just there when you reassemble. Next, I'm going to do a time lapse of this. Take all of the screws out here, all of the screws out here, all of the screws out here, and all of the screws out here. You can leave these 4 ones in, they don't connect to the actual cluster itself, but literally take all of those out, make a note, and this is key, exactly as you've taken them out, because some screws are different lengths than others. If you get them wrong, you can strip it or you can make damage to it, and then you're basically just boned. So yeah, I'm going to time lapse removing these now. Right, several screws later, flip the thing over, reach around, giggity, and grab it and support it from underneath, flip it round, gently lift that down there. We're then going to take this screw out here, that basically acts as a ground for the panel. But also holds the damn thing in, so we're going to do that. I'll take the thing out, and then this whole part will lift out in one go. You can use the trip reset button to gently pull it out. Now, some clocks don't have these screwed in, so you've got to be very careful not to let them slide out. Turn the thing over. Those joints there sometimes can get a little bit dry. In fact, to be fair, all of the joints on this can get dried out. So yeah, tin the joints again. If anyone also there, dead center of the camera right now, where that little tiny resistor is, those 2x4 connectors, turn that over, that little chip there, dead center, that's the EEPROM that stores the not only the odometer value, but also the scaling for the speedometer and also what the odometer counts up, in and out. Basically everything that on this side here is controlled by that EEPROM. Doesn't affect anything else, but yeah, that's it. Ooh, this one's got a fog light. Gary will recognise that one. Yep. So reassembly, pretty much just exactly the same, just in reverse. Put that back in there, screw back in there, flip it over, to put all the screws back in exactly the correct order that you've taken them out in, put it all back together. Hopefully things will work fine for you.